give it up for Jeff. Jeff, were you here for the first part of the show?
I know, I came from another show.
Damn it! Who was here from the first part of the show that can, like, validate? Okay, alright, I'm gonna say something. I gave a suggestion for the first team, and I thought, I was, like, really proud of it because it made me sound really smart. And it was long-tailed grackle. Did I not say that?
Yes.
Was it impressive?
Yes.
Yes, it was very impressive. And I feel really proud about it. And I just wanted to know something that you feel super proud of whenever you do it. And please, within reason.
What I feel proud of when I do it?
Yeah.
I fix appliances, like refrigerators.
Fixes appliances. Give it up for
I went over to Europe on a transfer program. They wanted repairmen from the States to come over and show them how Maytag fixed their stuff.
It was true. Our village was destitute. We had no Maytag employees to speak of.
It's true.
And we mail ordered a Maytag man. And he came, his name is George, and I fell in love with him for his knowledge of many a fridge.
Yes, I went over there, I saw Svetlana over here, and I was like, damn! That's good.
My eyebrows naturally grow this way.
I was impressed by her amount of body hair in general. So I brought her back with me to the States, where now she has a kitchen decked out with Maytag appliances.
It is my dream. I don't want to get too emotional, but...
Hey, keep it in.
So Marguerite and I, we moved to Las Vegas because we wanted to be showgirls.
We did! We wanted to be the first non-dancing showgirls Vegas had ever seen!
Marguerite and I have very tight hamstrings, but we didn't let that stop us.
It's true, I can barely walk down a street. My feet only go so far in front of each other.
So we got hired as go-go dancers at the Spearmint
Rhino! They have the smallest boxes for dancing on.
They do.
The dancing boxes.
Yeah. We can only stand on it with one foot. We're really good at balancing, not flexible, good at balancing.
Good at balancing. It's really just kind of a defense mechanism from growing up with your feet almost stapled together, as it were.
So Marguerite and I are really happy to be going back to Peoria, Illinois, to go to our 15th high school reunion!
Where we can show fucking Betsy what's up!
Yeah! That cunt.
The kids moved out of their house, and now me and Rebecca here, we just got each other.
We ran out of things to talk about 15 years ago.
Yeah, it's true. I haven't stayed in the same side of the house as Rebecca in the last 15 years.
It's been a blessing and a curse, because
Yes.
he's the only one who knows how to work the printer.
It's true. We've had to put our resume back out on the market because we didn't save. Our retirement did not last as long as we thought it was going to.
No, and being a contract laborer for most of your life, you have to pay taxes out the ass.
But now you need to know words just to hammer a nail.
That was a good one, it got me.
I miss the kids so much. Baby love of my life.
Hello, my love. I found this on the road, and it seemed fresh.
That is a solid raccoon carcass.
It was by the plant that is why it is so big.
The way you tear into that with your bare claws. bear claws.
Oh, that was a good one. It got me. It did.
Just makes me, I feel this fire burning down in my gut.
I feel a fire in this gut. It's probably a disease or something, but I have strong immune system.
Oh, it's still warm.
It's very warm. I don't know because it was very bloated. Has been dead for a long time.
It's so subtle. Go slower. Reach into this raccoon with me.
I put down these first.
Baby, I want to talk to you.
Yes, George.
I got fired from the shop.
What?
I'm no longer a repairman. Can you still love me?
You no longer have the maid tag?
It's true, I had to give back the uniform.
Oh my God.
I am no longer someone who can fix all your problems.
It's so funny. This raccoon has heart, but I do not.
Baby, if I could take my heart out and give it to that you, I would, but I need it. But
What
live.
are we going to do?
What?
I cannot go back to country without maid tag.
I'm
man.
not sending you back.
You're going to send me back. You cannot afford expensive tastes. I love Target.
All I'm saying is we can't just eat any random raccoon we see anymore. We're poor now. Your tastes are driving us into an early grave.
I know doctor appointments for you are very expensive. But I can't curb my taste for the finer things.
This-
And I don't even know where I'm from anymore because my accent has changed. I'm so distressed.
Baby, I will never tell you where you're from. Because you are your own woman from your own country.
Do not speak terrible words to me. You know where I come from. That is heresy where I am from.
All right, you want me to tell you?
That is like giving Dobby a sock. You cannot give woman identity. She walked out. She has to.
It's
Disrespect.
I get it.
I'm sorry for the blood.
I understand the people, your ways. England is a strange place.
It's Justice O'Reilly.
Listen, I'm gonna get out there and I'm gonna find another job. And
Do
I'm
not
gonna...
work for the general.
You know that I don't want to, but if it comes down to that, you know, don't worry. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna find a job. You just be here waiting when I get back.
Baby.
Duh. Don't touch me with that rich man's blood. I don't deserve it.
Yes, one.
Hi.
How are you?
Huh?
Do you know?
My name? It's pretty obvious, isn't it?
Yes, because it says Marguerite on your
Name tag.
name tag. Oh, I love tags.
Are you new? Are you new to the club?
I am new to the club.
Well, let me show you around. These are the boxes. This is where we dance.
Now I dance her for money.
Hey, don't worry, we've all been there, sister.
Really? You've been to England?
I wish. I've heard such fancy things about it. It's so strange over there.
It's very strange, but to me, this place it is strange.
Well, don't worry. You know what? I'll show you how to work here. Maybe you take me to England someday with you. How about a box?
It's a very tiny box.
It's true.
It's more like column.
It's very tall. I've only gotten to the first level. There we go. Come on, you can do it. Just pretend your legs are stapled together.
Oh, if only. That's the first part of being 13 in my country. I'm so sad. I'm but no wrinkles.
You know why?
Why?
She's from England.
Oh my God!
We can finally get out of here.
I'm sorry, I can barely hear you. Let me get up on that column.
Hop up. You're only on the first level.
I know.
You know how this goes.
Marguerite.
Fred. Oh, I'm sorry, it's Lisa. There it is. Hi, Lisa.
I thought we talked about this before the set, but that's fine. That's an inside joke.
I didn't get it. Listen.
What?
We're gonna take a break, thanks. Hey, I want to go to England. I just decided.
All of a sudden?
Yes.
I know you like fancy things,
Oh, if only
but
I
I
could.
thought the spearmint rhino was all we needed to show that bitch Betsy.
Betsy.
That cunt.
Listen, if we go to England before the high school reunion and then come back with full-on English accents, she won't know what the fuck hit her.
You're so fancy.
She thinks she's so great.
She is, just because she married the manager of Winn-Dixie.
Todd. I miss Todd.
Don't. He wasn't good enough for you. I'm lying. He was too good enough for you. But that's fine, because once we go to England and have weird accents, Betsy will shit herself.
Oh my God, Lisa! I'll get help!
Both my hamstrings!
Did your legs stay together?
They did!
That's the
because
most important part! Oh, hello, I'm Dr. Jeff John.
I trust you. You seem certain.
Well, when I was a younger man, I was a heart surgeon, and now I'm a general practitioner at this Jeff John's Discount Medical.
You seem sad about it, but to me, that seems glamorous.
What? Sadness equals glamorousness to you?
Isn't that what they say? You have to be rich to be sad about your existence?
Yep, that old saying.
That old chestnut. Jinx, you owe me a checkup.
My daughter used to play Jinx with me. I miss her so much.
Why don't you call her? What's her name?
She doesn't want to hear from me. Rebecca doesn't want to hear from me. She's named after her mother.
Really?
Yeah, there's two Rebeccas in my life. My wife, who I have, keep it in mind, and my daughter.
That's never stopped me before, but hey, I know Rebecca.
You do?
I do. Well, her middle name is Marguerite.
Oh, I'm not following. Are you saying you know my daughter?
I don't know. Is her middle name Marguerite?
Yep.
Then I know your daughter.
What? Ow! Oh no!
I mean, hold on. Don't do that.
All right. I have a very strong will.
Oh, you're very scary to me.
Right.
Hey, that's fine.
Do
I
you want to
trust
get
you.
down to business? I should check you out.
Well,
I have a wife.
don't care.
What did you do here?
I broke both of my hamstrings, but my joints are practically fused together, so I don't know if it's a problem.
Yeah, they are. It seems that you have wire wrapped around your ankles, but hidden.
I thought it was just a tattoo.
Well, no.
Can you snip it?
I'm getting there. Are you telling me you've been walking around with wire on your ankles for years?
Yeah.
What are you, an idiot?
Well, I
Yes, your muscles have atrophied. You don't know how to walk like a normal person.
But I don't need to walk to get to England.
Yes, you do. It's water. There's water everywhere. Oh, she's gonna die.
I smell a woman on you.
Yeah, somebody totally came on to me super hard earlier. I still got it.
Where you been keeping it?
It's in short supply, so I have to spread it out.
You don't have to tell me about
You haven't
the famine.
wanted any of it in years. Uh-huh.
You took up smoking as well.
Yeah.
You're a doctor, goddammit.
Yeah, one of us is bringing in money for this retirement. What are you doing?
I've been trying to harvest my eggs.
As a
You
doctor.
loved the first one. You loved the first one. All right, so I figure I'm a good farm.
You know what? I can't find fault with that logic other than the fact that you are so old.
Oh yeah? How old am I? Tell me. Why don't you grow a pair where those two shriveled raisins lay right now?
You know you're an English 30.
Just because I have a lot of sunspots and not a lot of wrinkles doesn't mean I look old. It means I look continental.
That's
Yeah.
yeah.
Can
why
you give me a
I-
light?
Just monkey fucking. I think that's what the kids say.
I trust you.
Listen. Kid came in today and knows where Margaret is. Marguerite. Rebecca.
She does?
Yeah.
Well, where is she? Did you ask?
No.
You just found out the information and were like, good, she's alive, let her go.
I unburdened her from her wires and then she crawled into the ocean.
Is that a euphemism? Is that a euphemism?
No, I literally clipped some wires and she said, I'm going to England, and then crawled out.
Sounds like a lovely, intelligent, and funny girl.
She was okay.
So she went to England.
Yeah,
So that must be where Marguerite is.
I'm gonna follow her.
You're going to follow her? You're going to leave Peoria?
Of course I am. She means more to me than any city in Illinois. But not more than you. I thought I was gonna say more than you, but then I didn't. Listen, I want you to come. I wanna fix this. All of it. The family, you, me, we need to get back to it. I still got a little left.
All right. Let's monkey fuck it.